is this is a new ceramic coating we've just been accredited to install. It's a self-healing. So I'm going to get the wire brush. Oh, it sounds horrible. Hey guys, this is Mike and Mike's Auto Care. I hope everybody's well out there. So just doing a quick video. We've got this Mercedes 350 in. It's having pretty much everything. So we're going to give it a nice soapy wash. Then we're going to do a clay bar treatment. Then another soapy wash, get it nice and dry, and then we'll get it in the studio, get the lights on, and then we can see what we're correcting. But I would say with the clay bar, we've had a few people come and do say, yeah, I clay bar my car quite regularly. But from our point of view, I would say it's something you do maybe annually if you need to. It's not really something you want to be doing too often. We've done a full paint correction all the way around, and then we've done a full machine polish. Now we're coming in doing a surgical wipe just to get any kind of excess oils or anything off of the clear coat. And then we can start applying sort of the icing on the cake. We can start applying that ceramic coating. This is a new ceramic coating we've just been accredited to install, and it's a self-healing ceramic. So we have a 5-year one already. We have an 8-year one already. Fantastic coatings. They work really well. This one's a 5-year warranty coating, but it is self-healing. So if you get any light scratches on there, just gently apply some heat, and it repairs itself. So I was a bit sceptical. We got accredited, but I wanted to see it for myself that it works. I just did a little test just now and it worked absolutely brilliantly. So just for you guys, just going to kind of show you on the camera. So this is a titanium surpass 5-year accredited coating, and it goes against everything in my mind's screaming at me, don't put a wire brush on the car. But for the sake of just testing, just to show you, I have spoke to the owner, they're collecting shortly. They do know I am going to be doing a test and doing a video. It's not going to impair the coating at all. So wire brush on the car, let's go. So we'll go, so we've got a nice clear panel there. You can see there's no scratches at all. So I'm going to get the wire brush. Oh, it sounds horrible. There, so I've got 1, 2, 3, I've got 4 light scratches there. Oh, there's a little cluster of scratches going all the way up. I hope they show up on the camera. I can see them. Can you see them, Zane?
Yeah, you can see them well, yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so in real life scenario, you've had a minor scratch on the car. Doesn't need correcting, just needs to self-heal. So we get the heat gun. There, let's have a look. So this is, there, they've gone. So it's amazing. So there were 5 scratches here. That's a 5-year warranted ceramic coating with self-healing properties. So I'm just made up. I always want to try new products on our own vehicles. Unfortunately, all our vehicles are already ceramic coated. They've had every test they could possibly have. So with the owner's permission, I'm doing this video and a test on this one. And it's actually 3 coatings. So we did a base coating of the self-healing, then a top coat of the self-healing, and then it has a protective coating on at the end as well. So she's fully protected, and you're good for 5 years. You just need to come back after 12 months. I would say, obviously, if somebody really wanted to scratch your car, it doesn't really matter what you put on the car. If somebody, not a very nice person, was intent on scratching your car, you could gouge in, obviously, with a screwdriver. I mean, there's nothing going to stop that. But in general day-to-day life, with people brushing up against the car, or even with improper wash techniques, that's it for now, guys. And I'll catch you again soon.